Hi, I'm Jennifer with Be Still Yoga Studio. Plant Therapy has created an amazing set of essential oils that correspond to the 7 energy centers of the body called chakras. We're going to talk about how each oil blend can be applied to the body, paired with a certain yoga pose to bring about an improved mood and peacefulness. Create a sense of calm and security with the grounded foundation oil to activate the root chakra. Apply it to the tops of the feet, settle into mountain pose, and repeat the affirmation, I am peaceful, grounded, protected, and secure. You could also diffuse any of these oils during your yoga practice for the same effect. Increase joy and creative energy by using joyful creation to activate the sacral chakra. Apply it to your lower abdomen. Breathe into the pose and repeat to yourself, I am radiant, beautiful, and strong, and enjoy a healthy and passionate life. Build confidence and minimize digestion issues with the self-manifestation oil to activate the solar plexus chakra. Apply it above your navel and repeat the affirmation, I am positively empowered and successful. When any of the 7 chakras are unbalanced, you could experience physical or emotional issues, and that's why it's important to make sure each area is strong and healthy. To open your heart, use the Loving Compassion blend to activate the heart chakra. Apply it to the center of your chest and think to yourself, I am grateful, filled with love that I give and receive. I love. To improve the ability to communicate clearly, use true expression to activate your throat chakra. Apply the oil blend to your throat. Settle into the pose and repeat, my thoughts are positive, and I express myself truthfully and clearly. Tap into your inner guidance and purpose by using clear intuition to activate the third eye or brow chakra. Apply it to the center of your forehead and settle into child's pose. The affirmation is, I am tuned into wisdom and understand the true meaning of life situations, seeing the big picture. To connect more with the present moment and spiritual growth, use higher connection to activate the crown chakra. Apply it to the top of your head, relax back into the mat, and concentrate on the words, I am complete, and the divine lives in me. I hope you enjoyed learning about all of the 7 wonderful essential oil blends. You can download a flyer on Plant Therapy's website that contains all of the affirmations and yoga poses mentioned here today. Also, more information about the Synergy oils. Thank you for joining us. Namaste.